Hi everyone. In this video, we'll show you how to fix the server replies that you don't have permission error in Internet Download Manager. We'll share two effective methods to refresh your download links and update your software to get your files moving again. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech videos. To get started with the first solution, open your Internet Download Manager and look at the top menu bar. Navigate to the Help section and select the option to check for updates. If a newer version of the software is available, a box will appear asking you to update. Go ahead and click Update Now and wait for the installation process to finish completely. Once the program has updated, return to your download list, right-click on the problematic file, and select Resume Download to see if the connection is restored. If updating the software didn't fix the issue, you likely need to refresh the specific link itself. Head back to the main IDM screen and right-click on the file that is currently stuck. Choose the option to refresh the download address, and then click OK on the notification box that pops up. This action will automatically open the original web page where you first initiated the download. Simply click the download button on that page again, and IDM will catch the new security token or link and resume your progress from where it left off. If this video helped you solve the problem, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others facing the same issue. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.